Okay, 135 math class. It's Mr. B here. I want to go over your homework for April 1. And this is, so you should have already done this sheet. And now I'm going through it with you guys to see if you guys are getting it or not. We would usually obviously do this in class, but now I'm going to do it with you guys now. So if you guys look at number 1, it says 5,600 people are on a cruise ship. Each person requires 2,200 calories per day and 1 gallon of water per day. How many calories and water will the cruise need for a 7-day trip? Well, the first thing I would do is I would write down the number 5,600. So right there, you got 5,600 people are on the cruise ship, and they each need 2,200 calories. So I would do 5,600 times 2,200. So as I do that right now, I get that is a total of, let's see if I did this right. You guys know I could make mistakes. Try not to. That's 12,320,000 calories. That's what they need for the ship for 1 day. So I need then to take that number, that 12,320,000 calories, and times that by 7, because that's what they would need for a week. So I would do 12,320,000 times 7 equals 862,400,000 calories. That's a lot of calories. So that's how many calories they would need for the trip. So that's one part of the answer. So one part of the answer would be calories needed, and then the answer would be 862,400,000 calories. So that's 862, comma 400, comma 000. But the other part says they need a gallon of water per day. So I would take 5,600, because 5,600 times 1 gallon is 5,600. I would take 1 gallon, make that 5,600, and then I would times that by 7, because you would need that for 7 days. So I would do 5,600 times 7 equals 39,200 gallons of water. So my answer would be part 1, calories needed, 862,400,000 calories, and gallons of water needed, 39,200 gallons of water needed. Now, if you go down to number 2, it says using the above information, how much would it cost the cruise ship if every 100 calories cost them $2.25? Well, now this is a little tough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the calorie number, which was 862,400,000 calories, and I would divide that by 100 to see how many units of 100 we have. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to do 862,400,000, and then I'm going to divide that by 100, and then I get that's 8,624,000 units of 100. But that's not where my answer stops. It says right here that 100 calories cost them $2.25. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that, I'm going to times it by $2.25, and I get the answer of 19,404,000. $19,404,000. So that is 1 and 2. Let's see if I can expand this at all. They're not going to let me expand it. So those are the first 2 questions. I'm going to make another video, which will be part 2, and I'm going to do another couple of these. All right.